What's up, you guys? This is Good Investor. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Wanted to drop this brand new video. It is going to be a little bit about Dogecoin, and I just want to mention how ridiculous the price is going up right now, and it's definitely worth making a whole new video and covering some of the big things that is happening in the market, and happy to share them with you. Before I do that, guys, if at any point in the video you like anything, don't forget to smash that like button to make sure that the video is outreaching the right number of people, and we'll begin right away. So as I usually do, I would like to start it with the market today, and as we can see right now, S&P has been down for a number of reasons today, and actually the entire market today was down due to tech sell-off. And as you can know, a lot of tech companies are within S&P, and obviously the tech sell-off impacted a lot the entire market, and people have been seeing some of the red day on their portfolio today, which is a little sad. But at the end of the day, do not see it as an opportunity to sell off. It's just a short-term thing that always happened in the market and will happen in the future as well. So do not let it panic you, or just don't buy that. And actually, this could be a perfect timing to buy the dip. So definitely don't panic sell. And this is something that I personally think is a short-term thing. And the reason behind that market sell-off was basically Janet Yellen, the treasurer of the United States, comes in with a statement that the interest rates could be rising within the next time period because of the economy is getting heated up, and they're just saying that there's some reasons for interest rates to go up, and one of them, of course, is inflation that a lot of people are talking around. So as people see that there is a fear that their interest rates would go up, and obviously the stock market is reacting negatively on that. For those of you who don't know yet, interest rates are technically having sort of a big effect on the market, and essentially those rates are the rates that the US Treasury is paying for their bonds, for holding those bonds. And if those rates go down, obviously for people would not be interested to hold those bonds, but rather invest that money on the stock market. Whereas if interest rates go up, that money from stock market goes back to the bond market. So obviously that's the way we see that there is a negative correlation between the bond market and stock market on average, of course, that when bond prices go up and when interest rates go up, the stock market goes down. So there's that negative correlation, and we see that. And today that happened basically on the fear that the interest rates are being risen within the next couple of months or something. But it's still the fear, so it's nothing confirmed yet, so I don't want to speak up too loud on that. On another note, let's talk a little bit about Dogecoin, guys. I mean, look what happened today. This is within 1 year, 23,000%. That's ridiculous. But within a day, guys, the entire market was down, but Dogecoin was up almost 40% a day. That is just nothing but ridiculous. Nobody is believing that. And it's just phenomenal that there's so many investors out there that taking so much advantage. And it reached the 0.6 today, so 60 cents, which was something unbelievable, right? Nobody could believe that this could come this far, and the fact that it could reach $1 seems more and more realistic as the days go on. And again, I mean, I don't want to push anyone to buy Dogecoin. I'm not a purchaser at all, and conversely, I made a video that it will reach a $1. However, there is a chance for it not to stay too long because of various reasons. But there's pros and cons for anything, so make sure you are wise enough on investing, and you never know. I mean, it is speculative investing, but at the end of the day, people are making money. So there's a choice to be made, and I definitely do not want to be the person to impact that. So sharing what happened today, so 40%, and technically there's a reason behind it, right? As we can see that this article, for example, says that Dogecoin is surging again, and for some actual reasons. And that reason is, of course, it's Papa Elon, who tweeted on April 28th about this statement, the Dogefather SNL May 8th, which means that he would be hosting Saturday Night Live this weekend. So people are waiting for that. And as he called himself the Dogefather, so you know that it is definitely a market pump and people are very excited and a lot of excitement is out there. So a very exciting day. I mean, I'm definitely waiting for May 8th and to see how exactly it impacts. Would I invest right now at this point? I mean, I know that I have a feeling that it will go to $1, but for me at this point, I have a feeling that I'm a bit too late because there's too much of a risk for a 100% gain. I mean, call me whatever you want, but as of now, I'm not purchasing the speculative investment. But hey, as I said initially, a lot of people are making a lot of money, and I know a lot of other people who are invested in Doge. So definitely make a decision yourself. And at the end of the day, there is another tweet that is funny to me a little bit, that it says, if you invested $1,000 in the following on January 1st, 2021, you'd have this much on May 4th. So for Tesla, if you invested $1,000, it would actually go down. So you would actually lose around $100. And sorry, there we go. So, and then if you invested on GameStop, it would actually reach around $9,000, which is not bad at all. So you would make around $8,000, which is great. And then on Bitcoin, you would make another $1,000, which is also exciting. But look at this number. For Dogecoin, you could actually make $103,000 worth of, I don't know. I mean, it's US dollars, guys. It's just unbelievable how much it could turn out to be. And there's another tweet that I find it really funny, but at the end of the day, also a little bit sad, because look at this. It says, LMAO, the 76 million Doge I bought in November, had I held, would likely end up being worth 76 million US dollars. It is crazy because he would literally be in the 0.001% richest people in the world from holding Dogecoin. So LMAO. So obviously $76 million is just a lot of money, and have he held that, it's just unbelievable that how speculative it is, but at the end of the day, how much it could pay off, right? So definitely exciting things out there, a lot of things going on, a lot of people tweeting. So I don't want to go through each one of them. And but I rather want to mention another thing that actually this is very big for those of you who are tracking Dogecoin. It says cryptocurrency exchange Gemini is okay trading in high-flying Dogecoin, which means that Dogecoin would be potentially be included in Gemini, and anyone can trade Dogecoin on Gemini's platform. So one of the things that is Dogecoin lacking as well is how difficult it is to invest on it, other than going with Robinhood or going through a specific wallet. Whereas now it's being added to a big exchange like Gemini, and I'm pretty sure other exchanges like Coinbase would also follow them, which could be very, very, very big bullish case for Dogecoin, which I'm very excited about as well, because this could be a very great movement as people will have more access to invest. Because one of the other reasons is that the easiest way to do it right now is through Robinhood, but Robinhood is losing a lot of customer confidence for a reason that they're getting shut down when customers need them. And we have a separate video when some of the people wanted to sell their Dogecoin, which is a good thing that they couldn't sell it, of course. But at the end of the day, customers should always have an option to sell whenever they want and buy whenever they want, because it's just the way investing works, right? So definitely very excited when Gemini adds it to their exchange, and I'm very excited to see where Dogecoin is going. Other than that, guys, as you know, I mean, I'm very excited for where cryptocurrency is going. A lot of great things. If you're interested on investing on crypto, I'll put my link on BlockFi down there. So make sure you get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin, and it's just a wonderful opportunity to get a free money out there. So make sure you click on that. Other than that, love you. Talk to you later.